What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. Yes, free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, Turn Motivation into Millions, and King Hussle Crazy Reactions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake imposters out there scamming people with my face and with my name, making these fake pages. So please, get a FaceTime verification call or a video before you send your money to anybody to make sure you getting what you paid for, make sure you're doing legit business, and you see this face. Alright, so make sure y'all do that. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So it's it's about 8 something in the morning. And a lot of people are up thinking hard and long and wide. How can they start making money? How can they make a quick $10,000? How can they make a quick $20,000? They talking to themselves saying, how can I make X amount of money? If I had this X amount of money, I can do this or I can do that. And it's very, 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 very possible. All right. It's a lot of ways for you to be making money, but it all boils down to this thing right here. What are you willing to do? And what are you willing to sacrifice? People who are really grinding, people are getting paid, people are really doing stuff. They are willing to do certain things that a lot of people aren't willing to do, and they sacrificing certain things that a lot of people wouldn't sacrifice. It could be a lot of different things, from time, sleep, relationships. A lot of different things people have to sacrifice to make certain things happen. Now, like I said, it's a lot of people who work 9 to 5 jobs, which is nothing's wrong with working a 9 to 5 job. But you got to think about it. When you work a 9 to 5 job, they're controlling how much you're getting paid. They know how much you're going to get paid for forever. So however long you work with them, they control how much you're getting paid. And 10 times out of 10, they're not going to pay you $1 million. It's not going to happen. It takes doctors and lawyers 7 to 10 years just to make $1 million, just off their payroll. It's people who getting paid $1 million in a year, and that's $100,000 a month just by paying themselves. People who become millionaires are often entrepreneurs because they're paying themselves, because they're making it happen, because they're actually out there and they have a passion to do certain things, and they're not just complaining and making excuses. It's a lot of people who complain and make excuses why they're not in this position, that position, or why they don't got this or why they don't got that. And the only person they can blame is their self. Yes, you. Because you can do a lot of things that can make you all profit, that can make you passive income, that can make you some money, but you're not willing to do it because you haven't done it yet. Now, on my channel, I give a lot of different ways to make passive income. See, applied knowledge is power. In order to make money doing something, you have to have the knowledge to be able to do it, and you have to apply it. Everybody want to do what the next person doing. Everybody want to be monkey see, monkey do. As soon as somebody see somebody doing this, and more people doing it, a lot of people doing it, now the whole world want to do it. Everything was not meant for everybody. Everybody wasn't meant to be a scammer. Everybody wasn't meant to be a drug dealer. Everybody wasn't meant to be a stripper. Everybody wasn't meant to be a rapper. Everybody wasn't meant to sell dogs. Everybody wasn't meant to do everything that the next person is doing. But you were meant to do what you have a passion for. And you can always develop a passion for something new any time of the day, whenever. Because when you really want to make some money, when you really want to be successful, you're going to step outside the box. You're going to sit back and you're going to analyze every way that everybody is making money nowadays. And you're going to interpret everything. And you're going to say, okay, which fits best for me at this time and point? Okay, I see everybody selling dogs, Frenchies, bulldogs, and this and that. Okay, let me do my research and figuring out how much certain dogs cost, which dogs cost the most, how can I start my own breed, how do I take care of these dogs, what genes am I looking for, what is what. Because me, I didn't know nothing about dogs. Growing up, I hated dogs. Allergic to them. Allergies. But as you grow, as you mature, as you become a businessman or woman, as the generations change, as you give certain new things a chance, you develop certain passions and new love for new things. Just like with people. You might not like that person at first, but you get to know that person and you might fall deeply in love with that person. It's like judging a book by its cover. So, like I said, you might want to find out all that information. Now, how you going to get the money to get this dog? I done told y'all how to start getting free money. How? Signing up for financial aid, signing up for your local 2-year school, and getting school checks and finessing the game. Sign up for full-time school classes. That's 4 classes, 3 credits each, 3, 6, 9, 12. Boom. Be in class for at least 60% of the class semester. Get your 3 checks, 3, 4 checks. That's gonna be like $75 to $10,000 or maybe more, maybe less. If you're dependent, you're gonna get less. But if you're independent, you're gonna get more. After you've been in 60% of the time of the semester, it's gonna tell you that date of the 60%. You can drop those classes and re-register for the next semester, those same classes, and repeat the process. But the next semester, you got to pass all those classes that you took previously. And you're going to get the same amount of checks, and you're going to do the same thing. I made $60,000 off school loans. Saved it, invested it, and I got a degree. My last semester, I had to pay because I maxed out my financial aid, but I paid it. Who cares? And now I got a degree in business and marketing. I got paid and I became successful after that. And guess what? After 7 years, what did I tell y'all? After 7 years, anything on your credit report is classified as expired. Bye-bye student loans. Now you got money for a couple years that you're getting for a couple years, and you can invest, and that you really can depend on, rely on, and know that for the next 6 years you're gonna be getting at least 6 checks. And if you go to summer school, you can get a check in summer school. I got a check for summer school one time because I was on that money. I had a passion. Whatever it took for me to keep getting money, I did it. So I said, if I got to keep staying in school to for sure get this money, because life is real, life is not a game, things happen. I can go broke tomorrow, but I know I'm getting this check. Cool. So I put myself in a position to know I'm for sure get a check. I put a lot of people on the check game, the school check game. I put a lot of people on a lot of different methods to get some money, for sure. You just got to actually have a passion and want to do it. A lot of people say, I want to get some money, then you put them on something, they try it out, they're like, man, this ain't for me. It's a lot of people who want to get some money, but they don't really want to get no money. It's a lot of different ways in this generation for you to get passive income. I told y'all how to start doing a YouTube game. A lot of people complain about that. Oh, I don't got no subscribers. I don't got no backdrop. I don't got this. I don't got that. The only thing you need to do on YouTube to have is a phone and knowledge about something. As long as you got knowledge and a phone and you can make a video just like this about something, it's going to be people that want to know what you're talking about. They're going to be intrigued. You just got to be consistent. It's a lane for everything. You ain't got to have the fanciest backdrops. You ain't got to have the fanciest camera. You ain't got to have the fanciest nothing. Oof. Because all that will come after you stay consistent and you keep grinding, you keep hustling. I started out sleeping in my car. Now I'm in a mansion, a mini mansion. I got another one back home, multiple rooms, my own studio, a game room, an arcade room over there. This is the studio. And I understand that the more I continue to do certain things, the more it'll happen. I didn't get y'all the sauce on starting your own trucking company. How you could just rent a truck, start moving houses out of state. They started at like $6,000-7,000 to move a house out of town. You can go buy a U-Haul truck. You can go buy your own box truck, start your own moving companies, and you could start strictly specializing and just strictly moving out of town. Get you 2 people that's dedicated to work, grinding and moving, and it'll work. Become a barber, become a stylist. Get people under you, your own barbers, your own stylists, your own team. Find people with talent. Sign them, put them in positions. Start you a daycare, start you a group home. There's so many different things that you can be doing to become successful and make money. It's a lot of people that want to, like, making $10,000. This, you can do this. This is possible. This is very possible. You just gotta want to make it. You can't think that, oh, I'm gonna learn how to scam and start running up. No, you can't. No, can't do that. You can't want to be a criminal for your whole life. Being a criminal for your whole life never doesn't last. But having good credit for your whole life lasts forever. So make sure y'all getting up early. Make sure y'all really finding new hustles, new niches to make money. And figure out what works best for you, because everybody was not meant to do the same thing. Everybody was not meant to be the same person. So be your own person and figure out what works for you. Stay in your own lane and run it up and make people want to do what you do. Because like I said, once you learn something, once people learn how to do something, it's human nature to find loopholes in something. Everybody always finds a loophole in something once they learn how to do it. Either by accident or it just happens. Or they try to look for something. But normally it just happens. So slow down. Learn new things. Make your life easier. If you're working a job, maybe you gotta save a couple checks to invest in something. If you hustling, save you a couple dollars and invest in something that can make you passive income. If you somebody out there that don't got none of those trades or hustles, start talking about something on YouTube. Making you some YouTube videos. I done showed y'all that Fiverr game. How to outsource videos. How to start a YouTube automation video. You ain't even got to show your face. You could literally have people make videos for you and just post them, just pay them. But you got to be consistent. You got to have the passion to do it. You got to say hey, if you telling me if I just post these videos and get these views, I can get paid a whole lot of money. I ain't even got to show my face. Or you telling me if I just make videos talking about something important and helping the people out, I can get paid. And they pay my bills too? You know what? Okay. So instead of getting up early at 6 o'clock and going to this place, I get up early at 6 o'clock, go in my room and start making videos and doing things. And okay. Make it make sense. All right. So make sure y'all getting up early. Make sure y'all finding out new ways to make money. Make sure y'all really paying attention to the things that's important. Because y'all do know once people flash money, they spend money all day. But once you spend that money, it's now gone. You got nothing but a receipt to show for it. And I had to figure that out myself. I had to start realizing, like, okay, it's cool to have money, but it's not cool to just because you got it don't mean you got to spend it. You ain't got to look good for people who's not going to do nothing for you. You ain't got to present an image for people who don't really care. They just want to see these things. It's nothing. Because it's only 24 hours in a day. And the days go by fast. And by the time you look up, you still in the same position. That person that set back and didn't do this and do that, they put themselves in a position to do bigger things. And you see them really living life. You're like, dang, I was wasting time playing around, joking, while I could have been doing the exact same thing. Always remember that, all right? So shout out to all my real King Hustle supporters, new subscribers, old subscribers, my real fans, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me stay consistent. Y'all motivate me keep dropping sauce. Y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained, all right? So shout out to y'all. Still looking for people for the production company. Y'all already know what I'm looking for. Actors, rappers, models, cameraman, producers, content creators and all that. So make sure y'all tap it in. Music reviews, $200. FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems is $1,200. Y'all gonna get all the sauce. I'm gonna teach you how to do everything. I'm gonna help you out, make pages with you, YouTube, all that. We gonna get some money together. Point blank period. All right, y'all already know. Unlimited gems means unlimited gems. Like you ain't gotta write me in my DMs of like, hey, what all the unlimited gems come with? Don't do that because I'm not gonna respond. Come get y'all mentorships, $2,500. I'm gonna take you under my wing, get you together. Make sure y'all book your seat right now on the crypto tour. In-person unlimited gems, $3,500 in-state. You come to me, $4,500. I got to come out of state to you, $500 deposit. The rest of the money when we meet. And make sure y'all go run the follows up on my real IG, King Hustle X1M. Make sure y'all go in the real King Hustle X1M. Those are both my IGs. For me, the rapper, the entertainer, the motivator, motivational speaker, the prophet. The only person out here that's really helping y'all get some money, King Hustle. Make sure y'all follow all of my other social media platforms. Make sure y'all go subscribe, like, comment, hit the all notification bell on all my other YouTube channels because y'all don't miss out on the giveaway video that I'm about to drop. About to do a crazy giveaway, man. Keep sharing these videos, keep liking these videos, keep commenting on the videos, man. We need to get this knowledge out there to more people. And make sure y'all tap in, man. Oh yeah, if anybody, make sure y'all follow me on my Telegram. Links are in the community. In my community post, make sure I go run it up on my Telegram, man. Make sure y'all ready to take care of business when y'all contact me. I got a strict form of how you supposed to contact me when you're ready to handle money, so make sure y'all doing that. If you're not ready to handle business, when you contact me on IG, I'm not going to respond. It's business. Nothing is free. So if you think you're going to get something for free, sob story, it's not going to happen. Be respectful. Understand I'm human. I'm not a robot. I'm working with a lot of people. So when you pay for your lessons, understand that you're not the only person that I'm working with. If you want to skip the line, it's going to be an extra $100. So understand that and let's get to work, man. Let's get this money. It's your boy King Hustle. We're getting back to work. It's early morning. It's like 8:33 right now, but I don't know when this video gonna drop. It's probably gonna drop by 9 o'clock, 9:15, or something like that, 10 o'clock. So make sure y'all tapping in, come and get these gems. It's your boy King Hustle. I'll see you at the next video. Peace.